Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Today I'll be doing Valentine's Day nails. I'm going to start by prepping the nail, pushing back the cuticle and cleaning it out. Then I'm going to file the shine of the surface of my nail. I went ahead and applied some dehydrator to the nail. If you don't have any, you can always use acetone. This is just to dry out the excess oil from the nail. This was my first time ever using polygel, so I applied way too much on that nail, so I had to go ahead and remove some, which you'll see later in the video. That nail was lean, so I had to use more polygel to bring it towards the right. After curing everything, I went ahead and wiped off the stickiness with some isopropyl alcohol. I tried to file the nails into a coffin shape, but it turned out better on my right hand, and that's weird because I'm right-handed, which means I use my left hand to do it. After carrying this nail, I realized that I had a bubble, so I filed it down and filled in the space with some more polygel. I went in with the drill to make sure everything was crisp and neat. I wasn't satisfied with the amount of pink the polygel gave me, so I went in with some pink gel polish. Right here, I tried to draw some hearts, but it didn't turn out that well. I used the top coat as glue for the rhinestones.